The Sarawak Museum in Kuching, Malaysia, is Borneo's first and oldest. Built in 1891 by the white Rajah Charles Brooke after a visit from famous British naturalist Alfred Russel Wallace, the museum had an impressive cultural and natural collection from day one. A brand new museum building is currently being constructed to replace the Victorian-style building that housed its collection for the past 120 years. The new building will have a lot to ground to cover: stuffed animals native to Borneo's rainforests, traditional ceremonial masks from Sarawak's indigenous peoples, model longhouses showing how the local Dayak peoples live, and an exhibit that explains the obsolete Dayak tradition of headhunting. The 5-story building will open its doors by the end of 2020 with a floor space of some 31,000 square meters to display more than a century's worth of collections.